Hey guys, so my dog started walking again today. She got up by herself and she walked for the first time in like many months. And I've been doing these hydro DIY therapy and I wasn't sure it was working, but after seeing her walk today, I was really convinced that it does work. So what I do is I just put little pieces of treats or something, so it forces her to walk back and forth. And when we first started, if you didn't watch the first video, watch that where I fill the tub up more full and I hold her and she just was just swimming, right, just paddling on the water. So we started with that for a couple first times, and that sort of helps her. And then slowly I lower the water every time we do it. And every time you lower it, it's sort of, less support for her legs. So right now, maybe 1/3 of her body's in the water, so which still supports her, but it also helps her actually use those muscles. And now today, like I said, she started walking, and I'm gonna just keep lowering the tub water level more and more until she can. And I just made tiny pieces of these bananas so she can be motivated to walk from the other side to side. But I can see she's getting fatter. She's finally gaining some weight, and she's finally gaining some muscles. So if you have a dog that's getting old and cannot walk, you might want to do this hydrotherapy. So what you can do is start with the water almost 2/3 covered, and then as they get stronger, you pull the water level down and down. All right, and then by tomorrow I'm gonna probably put less water, and that way she can slowly gain her muscles back. But it seems to be working really well, and it seems to be a great way to get your dog back walking, especially if you have a small dog. Now I do have a spa that I'm gonna like one of those portable lazy spas that I reviewed on my channel. Check that out. That I'm gonna revive, because I just took it down because I wasn't using it, but maybe then I can go with my dog in the spa and help her. But yeah, I make sure the water's kind of warm, because dogs' body temperature I think is 102 instead of their body temperature is about 5 degrees higher than humans. So make sure it's warm enough, and something simple like this is helping her walk again. And look at that, she's standing on her own. It just takes a little bit of the gravity out, which really helps in her really getting those muscles back. So this is probably one of my happiest day of my life, that my dog's walking again. She's getting better. Anyway, have a great day, folks. And if you have a dog who injured his leg and needs to rehab, this could be an excellent idea for small dogs. Or if you have a bigger dog, obviously you can get one of those kiddie pools and fill it up, and you can do the same thing. I mean, kiddie pools, you can buy one of those cheap ones for probably like 40-50 bucks on Amazon. So yeah, I think this is a great way. Anyway, have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon.